Ethernet cable. I used an Ethernet cable to install Windows 11. A laptop and a desktop computer that didn't have an operating system installed. You can apply this method to install Windows 11 over the network using a switch or router in your local network. Here are the setup steps on the laptop. To install Windows 11 using an Ethernet cable, I used Serva. For personal use, I used the free version. Download. Community. Serva Community version 5. These are the files after extraction. Next, you set up a static IP address on the wired network interface. Properties. Internet Protocol version 4 used the following IP address. I assigned the IP address 192.168.10.1 to the laptop. I called the laptop the server. Okay. Next, set up Serva. Serva 64-bit. Community. Menu. Settings. TFTP. Set up TFTP server. Enable TFTP server. Bind TFTP to this address. Select the static IP address you just set up. Server root directory. Create a new directory on your laptop. This PC. Local disk C. New folder. Server root. Select. This is the root directory of the server. Next, set up DHCP server. DUEP, enable DHCP server. Bind DHCP to this address. Select the static IP address you just set up. Other settings. Range of IP addresses allocated to clients. From IP address 100. Pool size 10. Subnet mask. Router. Domain name server. Okay, next. To apply the changes, close and restart the software. Close. Serva. Browse to root directory, server root. Community. Serva creates several new folders as shown above. Close. Next, add the Windows installer to the Serva system. You need a Windows 10 installer to install Windows 11 over the network, Windows 10. Open. Copy all these files and folders. Browse to Serva root. WDS. Create a new folder named Windows 11. Paste. Delete a file. Sources. Install.esd. Delete this file. Continue with the Windows 11 installer. Mount. Open. Sources. Find a file named install.esd or install.wim, depending on the version of Windows 11 you are using. Browse to the Serva root folder. Windows 11, Sources. Paste. Next, share the folder named WDS. WDS. Properties. Sharing. Advanced sharing. Share this folder. Name. Share. Permissions. Everyone. Full control. Okay, apply. Share. Everyone. Read and write. Share. Done. Network and Sharing Center. Enable network discovery. Public networks. All networks. Enable public folder sharing. Next. Create a new user. You will use this account during the Windows 11 installation process using an Ethernet cable, computer management. Local users and groups. Users. New user. Username. Serva. Password. Confirm password. Password never expires. Create. Close. Complete the Serva server setup on your laptop. The following are the steps to install Windows 11 over the network. Community. Initial. WDS share. On the desktop, set up network boot, Realtek boot agent, save, and reboot. Windows 11. Use the account you just created to connect to the shared folder. Serva, password, connect. Connected. Next are the steps to install Windows 11 just like you would using a flash drive. Boot from hard drive after Windows 11 installation is complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Initial setup steps. Using a local account, open command window. Reboot. Set up local account. Complete Windows 11 initialization.